first you're seeing of me in this vlog, I apologize. I've been filming all day long, but for some reason I went to go film this clip and all my footage was deleted. So don't know how that happened, don't know why that happened, but so far today I've been up to a lot of things. I've had a really busy morning, which is always funny because it's always like the times that you really don't want your footage to be deleted. But whatever, I organized my entire, like in that room, I went through all the cabinets, got rid of a bunch of shit. This is all stuff going to Goodwill. As a little reward, I have some Pure packages to unbox. We'll start with the small one. It's from Clinique.
This is from Craftsman.
This one says March 3rd though. Okay, well hopefully I don't leak this, but this is a Clinique Clinically Proven Glow.
Wow, that's cool.
New Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum with lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. I mean, I'm really excited because I literally just used Clinique products. Like, just started using them yesterday. This next one is from Benefit. Sounds like there's some loose things in there. What is this?
Damn.
Friends with Benefit. Avery and Emily. Wait, what? These are influencers.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is really cool. It's Emily Kaiser and Avery Woods. Wow, this is, I don't know what it is. I have never even heard of this. It's an entire package of Benefit products. There's the Roller Lash, the Cookie Highlighter, the Benefit Professional Super Setter, Brow Setter, and then the Precisely My Brow Pencil. And then there's also two little best friend charms. How freaking cute. Thank you so much, Benefit. This is actually really sweet. Do you want one of the charms?
Sure.
It's super cute. Look at it. Oh my god, wait. Low-key, my phone without a case. So cute. That just seems super flimsy. Okay, since my footage obviously was deleted, I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So I organized this under here. Is that not insane? Like, the amount of stuff I got rid of is actually scary. I also organized this drawer, which is our like cutlery drawer. I cleaned this out, which it was kind of beyond due. It was disgusting. And then I have our chopsticks there and our straws here, and then steak knives are gonna go there. It doesn't look like it, but I did clean this cabinet. Like, all of those are organized and it's subject to change, but I also cleaned this one, which is like bigger appliances, and then some taller things are gonna go up there. I cleaned out the sink, did all the dishes, and they're all in here clean. I actually also ordered a cleaning tool off Amazon, and it's supposed to get here anytime now. I'm excited. I'm really motivated to like actually clean and deep clean places, and I've got a steam cleaner, which is kind of crazy. I seen it all over TikTok, and I just looked up the same exact one on Amazon and bought it because it arrived today. Trevor and I are gonna get some food here shortly. Like I said, we're out of groceries. We're probably gonna go grocery shopping this weekend. I put these charms on my camera, which you can't really see. Okay, well, this was supposed to be my like chill-ish time, but because all of my vlog footage literally got deleted, which is so annoying, but I bounced back, baby. I'm good at bouncing back. But since this is like my normal chill time, I'm trying to like vlog a little extra, so there's obviously more footage. But Trevor and I are getting food out. We're going to Panda, his choice. I'm excited. I love this little charm thing. I'll vlog when we get in the car. But yeah, it's 3:33 right now. We got some Panda, and now we're getting Black Rock. Because like I said, guys, I never got a coffee this morning, so this is like my little treat. Plus we have free ones. Can I please do a medium iced cold brew? And can I get caramel macchiato flavors in that and extra cream, please? I ordered a cleaning tool on Amazon today, and it got here today. This has been all over TikTok, and it's like a steam cleaner. I don't know. I'm really excited to use it. Chose the green color.
Yeah, no, that's the green color.
Ooh, handheld steam cleaner. Hey guys, we just watched the Love Island finale. Spoiler, click out if you haven't seen it. Casey and Gabby won. Now we're opening our new cleaning tool.
I'm very smitten. This is like me getting my fucking drywall tools.
Here. When the yellow light turns off, it means it's ready. So we gotta wait till it's ready. Okay guys, Trevor's just as excited as I am.
Holy shit!
Oh!
That's insane.
Like, is that not doing what it needs to do?
Yeah.
Ew! No! Oh. Okay, do you guys see that? Disgusting, right? It's actually insane. That shit works. Okay, I have a late night snack, some protein, French toast sticks. I'm watching
and you
Trevor's
have a
stream.
20% chance, assuming there's at least 5 folks on the server.
Hi vlog. I just finished reading a bunch of my book, and actually it's getting so good now. I'm really excited. But I'm in bed now, and I'm just getting ready to go to bed. But I love you guys. I hope that this stream, I don't know why I'm sucking at words right now, but I hope this vlog ended up being good. It was kind of unfortunate that the whole beginning of my day's footage got deleted, but like I said, we bounce back, and it's not about what happens to you, it's about how you go about it. So I'm choosing to go about it like it's okay, we can start new, we can bounce back, and that's all that matters. So I hope it was a good vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trevor just got off stream, almost like a 4.5 hour stream, which is crazy. He had such a good stream, so I'm super happy for him. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow, Saturday.